Have you ever eaten crispy golden French fries and wondered, where do they come from? Do they grow on trees? Do they come from a factory? Or do they start somewhere completely different? I'm Smartie the Alpaca and I'm ready to find out. French fries start as potatoes. Potatoes are vegetables that grow underground. Above the ground, we can see green leaves and stems. But under the soil, the potato plant makes round, brown potatoes. Farmers wait until the potatoes are big enough. Then special machines dig them out of the ground. The potatoes are collected and taken to a factory, restaurant, or kitchen. But we cannot make fries straight away. First, the potatoes need a bath. They are washed with water to remove dirt from the skin. Some fries are made with the skin still on. Other fries are peeled, so only the soft inside of the potato is used. After that, the potatoes are cut. A machine, or a knife, cuts the potatoes into long thin sticks. Now they finally look like fries. But they are not crispy yet. They are still raw potatoes. And raw potatoes are hard, pale, and not very tasty. Sometimes, the potato sticks are soaked in water. Now comes the hot part. The potato sticks go into hot oil. This is called frying. The hot oil cooks the potato from the outside and the inside. First, the potato becomes softer inside. Then the outside starts to turn golden. Some fries are baked in an oven. Some are cooked in an air fryer. They still get hot and crispy, but they use less oil. A little salt. Sometimes people add ketchup, cheese, herbs, or other sauces. And that is how potatoes become French fries. See you next time with Smartie the Alpaca.